all the time.
Speaking of creativity, how's your portfolio coming along?
Hmm, it's coming in nice, actually.
So guys, Prince happens to actually be the musician, right? And he actually has this girl like that is actually being called to you that, and both of them are actually around the same environment and cool and all. And he was actually doing his music thing, and all of a sudden he started having issue with boys that seem to actually want to actually compete with him. And on the other hand, it's actually the mom that take care of because she happens to actually have health issues and all that. At the end of the day, he was able to actually live happily, and I just love the fact that he was actually true to himself when it comes to his talents, and that's something that is actually rare with people because people just tend to leave music for whatever reason. But anyhow, Joe, when it comes to season two, it's going to be coming out in 3 days, and let's be expecting it on Sunday though.